Hi, welcome to MarineMax in Dallas. My name is Lyle McVeigh. I want to go over this Sea Ray 210 outboard with you today. We've got this one rigged with a 200 horsepower Mercury outboard in the beautiful white color, matches the boat. As you step on into the boat through the port side walkthrough, you'll notice we've got the sports tower with bimini on this one. We've got the flip-flop seating for the forward-backward facing seating, infinity flooring, Simrad on the dash, flip-up bolster in the captain's chair, big bow seating area for everybody to get on board and relax. I want you to have a great day out on the water. Come see us here for all your boating needs at MarineMax. You can visit us at www.marinemax.com at any time. Look forward to seeing you soon.